So we are leaving Rosarito now. We were going to go to San Ysidro, but the border wait time was 90 minutes there. We're at 6 a.m. on a Saturday morning. And so we looked at the border wait time app, and it said that it's 60 minutes at Otay. So we're going to show you how to go to the Otay Mesa Ready Lane. Hopefully we can get this one. It's a little bit trickier to get to Otay Mesa, but we'll see if we can show you the route. First thing we are doing here is we are taking the ramp that goes to the airport. So you go like you're going to the airport, which is Tecate Freeway, and we're gonna go up to like we're going to the Tijuana airport. That's the first step that you need to do. That's if you're in downtown TJ or in Rosarito. Go like you're going to the airport. Here in downtown Tijuana, we're towards the center, and we're going to Eje Lázaro Cárdenas, which is the main road that goes up to the airport. So we continue here by where all the bridges are. We just continue up the hill going towards the airport. Here's what the turn looks like. You'll see a sign that says towards San Diego. You keep left going over. Right now we are passing over the Via Rápida, which is the river, but we'll continue going north. So you can see over here, here's the river. You're going to cross over the river. If you were to go left over here to the Via Rápida, you can see where the San Ysidro line starts, but we're going to continue up towards the mountains where the airport is to go to the Otay Mesa crossing. Keep on climbing up. Just follow the signs underneath where it says to the airport, and as long as you continue towards the airport, you should be fine. At this point, you'll see coming up right here where these people are.
Oh, that's a right, not a left.
Okay, we started here at the ready lane for Otay. It's over here where you see Alameda Otay Exceso Dos, but you're going to turn to the right. And we're just waiting here with the rest of the people in line now. Line is pretty long for us today. We're starting behind the Family Fitness, but there's the Alameda Otay Exceso Dos, and we're going to the right of it, up the ramp where it says airport. But just stay in this right lane here. You can see over there, let me see if I can zoom in over you'll see that sign that says airport, and stay on the right hand lane going over the bridge for the airport. Coming on the other side of this bridge now, make sure you stay always with the sign that says Aeropuerto San Diego. That's the airport. And for us, we're just staying with the line. Okay, we're on the road now that goes directly to the airport, and you're going to see some baseball fields over here to your right, and you want to stay in the right, because as soon as these baseball fields end, the first right after these baseball fields is where you want to turn right. And so I'll try to show you that curve in a second here. Okay, so we're on the right side of the barrier here, and actually they put up this nice little sign here that says ready lane. That's new. I haven't seen that blue ready lane sign before. So we're going to turn right here with the barriers, and always be looking out for traffic signals. That happens here too. And we're going to stay in the middle lane here. Stay here. At this point, you should be able to see the back of the baseball stadiums. If the line is short, just stay to the left, follow the signs that say 905 San Diego Ready Lane. Shouldn't be that hard, but my guess is by this point you are stopped and are just waiting in the ready lane. So just stay with the two lanes. Don't ever go out. If you go outside, you'll get accused of sniping. In Spanish they call it gaviota, and then you'll get kicked out. So just stay within these two lanes. Don't try to move or do anything. Just you're in the lane that you're in at this point. At the end of the park here, you're gonna go across this busy street here, which is the Otay Street, and then you'll make a really sharp turn, but just stay with the cars. Just make sure you stay with your lane and you'll be fine. Here we are crossing over the busy street for our final stretch. We gotta let the cars go through. Be courteous to the people in town, and then you can cross through. Yep, this is the last stretch right here. So once you're here, you're on the last little stretch. You'll go over one more bridge, but it's easy because there's barriers. You don't have to move at all at this point.
It's a straight shot.
Just a straight shot in. We are now finally coming up on the Otay Mesa Border here, actually crossing the line. It's gonna be about 100 minutes. So that's like a little bit under 2 hours. And it looks like the left lane was faster than the right lane. So I would suggest going in the left lane if you can.
The left lane opens up into 3 booths and the right lane opens up into 2 booths. So.
I don't know. But comment below, what's faster for you? Have you done this? Which one is faster for you, the left or the right? And thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.